Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. So you read for my table? No, if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY Plus. This is for the December 2019. So if you want to see what I got in my December box, is it worth it? Is it not? Then just stay tuned. All right, this just came today, and I'm definitely excited. So this is $25 a month. If you don't know, IPSY has the regular bags, which I do IPSY versus IPSY. So I got one of them in. I'm just waiting for the other one. That usually comes like in a week, like usually 2 weeks later. I don't know why it does that when I pay for them on the same day. I don't know. But so I usually do the IPSY versus IPSY, which like I said, one of those bags is $12. You have the IPSY Plus, which is $25. And then you have the upgrade, which is the IPSY Ultimate, which is $50. And I don't know how I feel about that one, but I really do like the IPSY Plus. So let's see what I got this month. All right. So that's what it looks like. It says discover yourself. And then you have the orange foam, which protects everything. And that's what it looks like. You do get a card every month, and I think it says sparkle, shimmer, and shine. So shine on. I guess that's what the theme is for this month. Not sure. Right here. And then when you open it up, it tells you everything that you got, and it does list prices, which I like. All right, so I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. So this is a brush. IPSY started this new thing where you can pick your own items. BoxyCharm does it as well, which I like that. And I did pick this brush. And I'm surprised it came in a box. This is pretty nice. This is it says, we designed this brush to make your life easier. Introducing the complex culture. So let's open her up. I like the fact that it comes in. Ooh, that's nice. That's what it looks like. I love the way that it's shaped like that. This is perfect for my bronzer. See how it's shaped like that? I like when I put the bronzer up top, and these are the brushes that I use to go right up top and to to blend it in. And also you can use this as well to like get powder off. This is a really nice brush. This says it's the contour brush. Let's see how much you be. So press and set bronzer brush. So this is $35. Holy cow. That's expensive. As I'm doing this, I see powder and everything coming off where they must, that's why guys, always wash your brushes before you use these. Okay, I don't know why I keep doing that. But anywho, because I've never heard of this before, I don't know if I would pay $35, but I can say by looking at it, it really looks like a $35 brush. Like, this is pretty decent. And it comes in a box, so I like that. I really like this. All right, the next thing is from IPSY. This is a liquid eyeliner. And I don't normally wear liquid eyeliners. I like wearing the gel eyeliners that I put in my waterline. Because as I'm aging, my eyes are getting more hooded. So I don't wear eyeliner on top anymore. So I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. But IPSY is a really good brand. And that would be $22. All right, the next thing is this 111 skin. I never know how to pronounce it. Is it like 3 skin, 111 skin? I'm not sure. Let me know down below. So this is activating Hydra Gel right there. And I know this brand is expensive. I hate to see the price on this one. Hold on. I got to make sure I'm reading that right. Let me get my magnifying glass. Yes, I'm reading this right. $200. What the heck is in here? It says, this lightweight hydrating moisturizer from Science Back Beauty brand 111 Skin does it all. Really, the gel texture instantly soothes the skin while ultra filling spears. Smooths the look of fine lines and uneven skin texture. Like a filter for your face, it even protects your skin from environmental damage. I hope this does put a filter on my face for $200. I mean, guys, that's why I like subscription boxes, because you do get to try. Because That's pretty small for 200. But again, I know this brand is expensive. It has a little safety seal, which I like. I'm glad. Holy crap, guys. This isn't even filled all the way. Look at that. It's not even filled for $200? No way. Do you guys see that? Maybe that's why they collab with IPSY. That is very disappointing for $200. That really is disappointing. All right. Moving on, but I'm glad to try this in a subscription box that's only $25, you know? All right, so I'm happy for that. Ooh, then we have a palette here from IPSY, I believe, because it has that little line over the E. All right, love getting palettes. Ooh, this reminds me of the Natasha Denona. Look, guys, that is just what their packaging looks like. Let's see. Stop it. Okay. So it has the packaging like the magnets right here, just like a Natasha Denona. It's a nice mirror, but guys, look at this. Look at all this extra space. This looks like it's a little swatch, but that doesn't mean that it is. I don't know what you guys can see. Holy crap, the mirror's nice. What in the world? Okay, let me just see how much this is. No. Let me see. $60. I've never heard of this brand. Like I said, the packaging is just like Natasha Denona. But for 4 shades that I've never heard of, $60. All right, let me just swatch it. Maybe they're the best eyeshadows in the world. I don't know. I just have a hard time paying $60 for 4 shades for, I don't know. Let me just swatch. I mean, look. Maybe it's just me. Would you guys pay $60 for 4 shades? And look at all the extra space. Like, all right, I don't know. I'm gonna stop complaining. Let's move on. The next thing is from Evolue. This is a hydrating serum, which I'm glad to get. I do enjoy getting skincare. I know some people just want to get makeup, but because I am in my 40s, I love getting skincare as well. And this would be, hold on, $68. Okay, I'm seeing right. So let me show you also as the bag. The bag's really, really pretty this month for Christmas and stuff with the blue. I think it would look great if it had red in it, right? But that's just a personal preference. But I think the bag is really, really pretty. Let's recap what we got because the value is there. You definitely get more than $25 worth. But you get this palette right here. You get this cream. You get the hydrating serum. You get the brush, and you get an eyeliner. Let me know what you guys think of this box. I think that, do you think they, I mean, I'm stuttering. I'm shocked on the prices. I'm really shocked on the eyeshadow palette for 4 shades. For these shades that aren't really, really pigmented. I mean, look, guys, $60. But I've never heard of this brand. Maybe this brand is well known. Let me know in the comments down below. This is a $200 moisturizer, which I am so excited to get, guys. I'm not complaining about that, but you can see it's not even filled up halfway. So that's where I'm at for a $200 cream, you know? This is $68, and maybe it could be worth it. You know, it is skincare, and skincare can be a little bit more pricey, so I can't knock that. This is $35. I've never heard of this brand before, but the brush, I mean, it's really, really nice. I mean, I think if I seen this at a store, I might pay $35. I'm not sure. I really do like the brush. And then we have a liquid eyeliner. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this month is worth it? I just don't know. let me know. So that's everything, guys. Let me know what you got in your IPSY Plus. And if you got this, let me know, was yours filled up or was this just like a fluke? Maybe mine was just a fluke, you know? All right, guys, that's everything. Make sure that you rate the video so I know what you guys think. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Let me know. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on for all my future videos and my giveaways, because I have a giveaway going on right now. So I will leave the link down below and on an end card. So either click that end card or the link down below if you want to enter that. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.